Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sign documents in Adobe Acrobat. We'll cover the essential steps to add a secure, personalized signature to your PDFs. You'll learn to create a unique digital ID, which acts like your personal seal, ensuring document authenticity. This process is straightforward, typically taking just a few minutes to set up. By the end, you'll be able to confidently sign and share your important documents, knowing they are protected and verified. To begin, open Adobe Acrobat and locate the Tools tab at the top. From there, select Certificates and then click on Digitally Sign. The system will guide you through creating a new digital ID. You'll typically choose to create a new digital ID file, which is stored on your computer. Remember to set a robust password for this ID. It's crucial for protecting your signature and ensuring its security, much like a physical key. Once your digital ID is ready, open the PDF document you need to sign. Click the Digitally Sign tool again, and then simply drag a rectangle where you want your signature to appear on the page. A window will pop up, allowing you to select your newly created digital ID. After choosing it, you'll be prompted to enter the password you set earlier. This final step applies your secure, verifiable signature to the document, usually in less than 5 seconds. Adobe Acrobat also allows you to customize your signature's appearance. You can add text, a handwritten image, or even a company logo to make it truly yours. After applying, you can verify the signature's validity, ensuring the document hasn't been tampered with since signing. Finally, save your signed PDF document. It's a good practice to save it with a new name, perhaps adding sign to the title, to distinguish it from the original. Now, your document is ready to be shared securely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.